everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Nusha, and as always, it's so lovely to have you here. Please go grab your drink, sit back, get cozy, because we are going to look into my recent decks. Who knows, maybe they will be your recent decks too. Let's start! Unicorn's Journey Tarot by Lisa Popes and illustration by Francesca Paiocchi. And let's for the just moment look at this beautiful color palette. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love unicorns. Actually, at work, I am famous to be a unicorn lady. And that's why I'm so happy that finally I could have a unicorn deck that is beautiful, and I can connect. So this is the box, and let me show you. May your magic always shine from the inside out. That's so sweet. And put the box beside. It comes with a very nice guidebook, and it is the story about a unicorn which is called Mystic here, and very colorfully done. The content is amazing, so there are references to RWS, so you will not feel confused. And so we have different minor arcana. Like for water is for feelings, basically the cups. Airs for swords, and then we have earth for pentacles, and so on. Which one did I miss? Yeah, fire for wands. And yeah, such a beautiful deck. This is the beautiful back and beautiful edge. Just so sweet. I love when the decks comes with this already lovely edged deck sides, I don't need to edge them myself. And let me show you some of the artwork so you can get the idea how this deck looks like. Amazing artwork, amazing color palette. They are so vibrant, very colorful. It's just reading a storybook, to be honest. At the Hermit. So beautiful. Please check this deck. I think Lisa should have them in her Etsy shop. So if you are interested, check it out. The Textured Tarot. I was checking this deck for a quite long time, and everybody was kind of complaining about the cardstock that is stiff and you cannot do riffle shuffle. And finally I was like, let's just get it. And to my surprise, I think they changed the cardstock, because this one feels so nice to honestly shuffle with. And it comes with a nice guidebook, well written, enough for you to start working with this deck. This is the beautiful bag, and this is the artwork. And yeah, it's not very stiff, so I like it. I connected so good with this deck, so now I really understand why people love this deck, and I'm happy that I finally took the risk and purchased this. And I love the artwork. I'm happy with the cardstock. Shuffling is not a problem, and yeah. What else to say? If you were also like me and you had doubt, just check it out. It's a collage deck, as you already guessed. So, such a beautiful. The next deck, Marchetti Tarot. This is also was one of the decks that I was thinking a lot. So I have a oh my god, Lenormand deck of this artist, and honestly, I couldn't really connect with the tarot decks. And then I was like, let's give it a try. So I chose this one. This artist has, of course, different decks too, which follow the similar concept of artwork. But I can tell you that I'm happy that I chose this one. So this is a beautiful bag. It doesn't come with a guidebook, but it has the digital guidebook. Beautiful pink edge. And I can tell you, because also from the Lenormand that I have, the edges are not long lasting, so just keep that in mind. And this is the artwork. I'm sure you saw this artwork already somewhere, and I like this version a lot. The color palette and the artwork. You colorful! Oh my gosh. 9 of Cups. So sweet. I'm also happy that I finally made a decision to have at least one of this artist's artwork, Marchetti, and yeah, now I have it. And I love it. A beautiful page of coin. Sweet. Okay. I'm going a bit fast because I don't want to make a long video. Just drop me a comment if you wanna see any of these decks more in detail, like a walkthrough or something. I'm happy to do so. The Pulp Tarot by Todd. This is was also one of the decks that I knew that I will like, but I was not sure. Actually, I was for a long time were looking for the indie version of it, the original one, but unfortunately I couldn't find. So then I purchased the kind of, let's say, mass market version, but I'm happy with it. This is the back, of course, no edge color, and this is the artwork. This is a just so funny deck to work with. And this is also all the decks that I showed you until now are actually my recent decks that I was playing with them. For the sake of the video, I usually try to put them in order, so that's why they are all reset. And in general, I love to put my decks in order, the ones that I know I will not use for a while, so then I can keep track of the decks that I'm currently using and so on. And it's like a meditation. After work, I just sit and put the decks in order. Yeah, Rabbi. 9 of Pentacles, so sweet. Yeah, such a beautiful artwork. It comes also with a white guidebook, a standard one, let's say. Okay, the last one is an oracle deck, Synchronicity, and Okay, this is such a beautiful deck. It's by Katy Nichols. It comes with this beautiful pouch and a kind of guidebook like this, which is enough to start. Otherwise, you can basically read it intuitively, you know. This is the beautiful bag, and this is the artwork. I will do a pairing video later. I found a perfect pair for this oracle actually. However, also Unicorn Journey perfectly matches this deck, I think, you see, from kind of the color palette. But yeah, I will make a video later for the pairs that I found them very nicely working together. So back to this deck. So you have the artwork and then text below. You are reverse. Why all of you are reverse? Okay. And such a colorful deck. Also, as a hint, if you have playful heart tarot, that's the perfect match with this deck. The artwork has this childish vibe. Such a beautiful, colorful deck. Such a nice deck. I mean, I keep repeating myself, but honestly, I'm so happy with this deck. It's just makes me happy. Even if the messages are negative, it makes me happy. Just the color vibe of it. So that was all the decks. I will soon make a video for my top 10 tarot and oracle decks until now for 2024. Please stay tuned. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do so. It helps my channel to grow. And please leave a comment and let's get to know each other and interact with each other. Thank you so much. Your presence here means a lot to me. And until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and of course, happy. Bye bye.